called sound effects. Sound effects. We don't have any sound effects here, obviously, so they are going to be doing the sound effects for this scene. We will have Justin doing all of Motzi's sound effects and Max doing all of Sean's sound effects. Now, what I need from you is your favorite blockbuster movie.
Star Wars.
Star Wars, that's a good one.
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman, that's a good one too. Yes?
Captain America Strikes Back.
Captain America Strikes Back. Very cool. All right. All right. This is called Wonder Wars. Wonder Wars. Okay. So are you guys ready? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yep. And are you guys ready? All right. You guys are gonna be amazing. Take this microphone. Share it. Share it.
Okay.
Share it. Share it. Okay. And without any further ado, put your hands together for Wonder Wars!
You know, Billy, today all these action movies are just so violent. What I want is, I think we should create an action movie about creativity and imagination. Like wondering about the world. Yes. And when I move my hand like this, it makes weird noises for some reason. I don't know why, but I think it's a birth defect.
You know, okay, for our next movie, I was thinking, right, we would have this goose right here.
That's what we have to taco.
And we would give him a knife, right? And we would have another goose, right? He would also have a knife. And it would be like Romeo and Juliet, where they both want to kill each other.
Well, I never read it.
Okay, hold on. This goose doesn't sound too late. I think we need to call an ambulance.
Calling the ambulance.
Oh my goodness, that was fast.
Ambulance.
Oh,
Oh my
wow.
goodness, you can speak English too?
Not really.
Let's make movies.
Wow.
This talking goose will just give us all our money. People will come from miles to see this amazing talking
Okay,
almost
seriously.
Oh,
Hey, other goose.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Hi.
I just really wanted to do that.
Will my insurance cover this? I don't really think so.
Oh, they're becoming influenced by Western culture.
Oh my goodness.
I like that new album, yo.
Oh, God, it's turning into Kanye.
Alright, we have to put it down.
You had a missile launcher this whole time?
What, you didn't?
Don't worry, got my life insurance.